The first step of the process is your consultation. We want to get very specific on your budget and your design. Is it a contemporary pool design, or is it more rustic, or somewhere in between? We also educate you about installation and product. And if you ever need a referral for some of the top contractors in your area, we can help with that. So the first step is the most important step, getting to know each other and getting to know what you want. One of the unique services we offer here at Plymouth Quarries is for specialty jobs like the coping of this lagoon-shaped pool. Is Peter, who does all the shop pricing and puts everything in the CAD and figures out all your sizing and cost. And the other Pete from the shop will come out to your property and shoot your coping or wall caps or whatever different or high-end job you have to make sure that when we fabricate your pool coping or wall caps, they come out perfect. This is one of the most difficult type of jobs to make templates for. It's very difficult. You almost have to hire a finished carpenter. The next step is the CAD drawings for our fabricators. Then it's on to the computer and the saw begins to fabricate. Each piece is cut to the exact specifications of the CAD. Your pool coping is removed from the saw, and Dana and Peter do all the finish work. Is it a full bull nose? Is it a half bull nose? Or like this here, it's a straight thermal. That's where all the detail takes place, and that's where all their years of experience come through. Another part of our consultation is educating you on the mortars to set your coping. Once you're educated, you will know and feel confident that your coping will never have problems as the years go by. So here is our finished pool design. And you can see, let's start off with the spa here. You can see we matched the coping with bluestone that we did on the pool. The veneer stone's a mix of Liberty Hill and Byron Black. You really can't see it here, but we'll go around and look at that. Then there's a long step. So we tied everything in. Bluestone treads once again, the riser, Byron Black and Liberty Hill. You'll see more of that around the fire pit. This here is our exclusive artificial grass garden mark. Absolutely beautiful, permeable. The customer loves it. And then as we go around to the patio, our customer loved Giallo and they really loved the all blue. So they special ordered all blue, which is slight blues and beiges. And you can see all of it has that color in it. And then what we did is we picture framed the pool. This here is our bluestone that Peter and Pete did the CAD in, and then Pete fabricated all of it with Dana in the shop. I just love this because it makes your pool part of the design, especially at nighttime where you have friends and family over and the lights of the pool are glowing and you have that picture frame. It really adds to your design. That's why I always love picture framing the pools. And there's plenty of space for lounge chairs here. We didn't waste a lot of money by making huge areas around the pool because we're not a hotel. We're not gonna have 30 lounge chairs around. So you wanna move your space around and take advantage of your product so you don't blow your budget on something that's never gonna be used. And then as we come around here, here's our fire pit. I love raising fire pits, especially in flat backyards, because it gives it a little more dimension in the design. And plus, if you're sitting around the fire pit, the view of the pool with the lights on is just spectacular. Once again, our bluestone frame to tie into the coping. And then there's our stone mix, Byron Black and Liberty Hill, which is the gray. And this is a gas fire pit. I love gas fire pits. They're no work, throw off a lot of heat, and the flame is beautiful. So I'm very happy with this finished pool. It was great working with these customers, and we really like working with you to try to educate you on product and making the right choices in your design.